In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace front wiper blades on a Dodge Ram located on the front windshield. So on this wiper blade, which isn't factory, but we're going to press on the cap right here, lift that up. You can see that cover comes off, pull the blade towards you. There's the hook. We'll slide the cover off and then slowly bring it down on the glass while we discard the old one. So here's our new one. And what we're going to do is take these safety pieces off. That's just for shipping. So you're just going to pull towards you, that little tab, and then slide it off. And now you can see the hook goes in that way. Bring it up, and you're going to hear a click. Give it a tug. Feels good. Set it down. Do the same to the other side. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.